Hello everybody, once again welcome to Armstrong channel. Today's segment we are going to look at the perfect way to design, how do you call it, some couple of designs like this as you can see, the design flipping on the on your screen. Even if you are not a graphic designer, don't worry, we are going to simply use an AI to create, how do you call it, artistic publication so far as some couple of designs are concerned. Don't worry, I'm going to cover this as series for you to understand and also know how to create some couple of designs. If you are not a graphic designer, all what you need is that you key in or write in a good prompt and then you are good to go. Now without wasting my time, let's dive straight to the lesson.
Armstrong Computers, we're leading the way, bringing ICT to your doorstep every day, where vision meets excellence. We stand.
Welcome back. As you can see, I have some couple of prompts here, and remember what we are going to do is that we are going to use an AI to help us design, okay, a wedding, save the date, as in. Now as you can see here, now I'm going to ask the AI to do this. I'm going to ask the AI, would you like to help me design, okay, save the date, more or less, a wedding program for couples? If yes, please let me know so that I can attach the pictures and give you the details for you to help me with the design. Well, don't worry, I'll be leaving this also in the description so that you guys can go and then copy this prompt and see how that is being done. Now first you must ask the AI a question, and then if he can, he will tell you he can, and then give you the requirements so far as what it's need to design whatever you want him to design for you. Okay, now as I have my prompt, now I'll go ahead and then dive straight to my browser. So the AI we are going to use is ChatGPT. You are shocked, right? ChatGPT can create a professional design for you. Now look at it, just stay put and then you enjoy. Now if you want to sign up to ChatGPT, all what you need is a Gmail. So when you have your Gmail, you are good to go, and I'll be leaving the link in the description where you can just click on it and then sign up for free. Okay, having said that, now you can see I am on my browser and I'm about to write my prompt. So what I will do is that now I'll go to my notepad and copy the prompt that I typed or I've written, and then paste it here. So let's look at that. So this is my notepad. I'll copy that, and then I'll come ahead to my browser, and this is my browser so far my ChatGPT is concerned, and paste my prompt. I'll go ahead and click on send. Okay, so it's going to give me some couple of minutes. Now ChatGPT has given me what I want. Okay, yes, it said yes. It said yes. It said it can help me to do that, to create a design so far the save the date is concerned. And then he went ahead by telling me indeed I should attach the picture, and then I should send him the details such as the name of the couples, the wedding date, the venue, the time, and my color scheme, my color preferences, and so on and so forth. Now nice. Well, again, after indeed he has given me what I want, I have also prepared all this. So let's look at how that is done. So what I will do is that I'll copy all this, okay, and go back to my notepad and paste it here. Okay, so this is the information ChatGPT asked me. Okay, so look at how I'm going to do it, and you also follow that and do that. So now I have all the response here because all what is so this is what he's asked. So first it's asking me the name of the couple. So the name of the couple, I've prepared the details here already because I know what he's going to ask me. So I've prepared everything. So this is it here, as you can see. Okay, so let's go back. So the name of the couple, so I'll copy this. These are the couples. By the way, as I'm saying, these couples are my brothers and sisters. They are my brother and sister, and they are going to marry. Oh, I know all of you are smiling. Yeah, that's just by the way. Okay, enough of that. Let's go ahead. So the wedding date. So I'll copy that and make column space and paste it there. Now the venue, I prepared that already. This is the venue. copy that. So instead of venue or location, I'll maintain as it is. So here, and space that and paste that there. That's the venue and the time. And I'll copy that. This is the time, 1 p.m. Paste it here. And then the color scheme is asking me the color preferences. So this is what I said. With the color scheme, you can use any nice color of your choice, respond to the picture. So that's what I said. So I'll just copy that, and that's the color scheme. So it's asking me the color scheme and blah blah. So for the color scheme, as I just said, I'll put this here, a quote in between it, and I'll paste what I just said. Now here it's asking me if I want them to join, blah blah blah. Okay, fine. Now with this option, I don't like this option, so I just want this tag. I should just tag it like this. So I'll highlight on this and paste that. This is a tag for one. Now when you watch very carefully, now it's asking me the design, the style of the design. These are the style of the design, but I want it mobile. Okay, so I'll copy this and specify that here. Okay, this is here. Done. So this is my prompt. So I'll copy all this, and after copying it, I'll go directly to my browser. So in my browser, as ChatGPT just asked me, so I have all the information, but first let me attach the image first. So I'll click on here where we have attach, click on add image, and I'll look for where my image is. So I'll go to my desktop, and my image is here, and this is my image. I'll select it for you guys to see. Let me show you. This is my image. Yeah, so I'll click on open and wait for that to finish uploading. So the moment it finished uploading, you can see that it will show what here nicely. So it has finished showing. So I'll go ahead and paste that. So this is it, and I'll just send. Make sure I send that. So hashtag uploading. So let's wait for the upload to finish, because when you send a mouse, you say a file uploading process. So I need to wait for the picture to finish uploading, then I can just say send. Let's wait for it.
Coding adventures as our benchmark. Innovate the future one bite at a time. Every click and keystroke gets a climb.
Okay, so the picture has finished uploading. You see that it was turning, kind of like moving around it. So it has finished uploading. So you can see now my prompt tab is the send tab is active. So I'll go ahead and click on send and wait for it. So you wait for a couple of minutes. ChatGPT is going to tell you that it's processing the design. So when it's ready, it's going to let you know, as you can see here. So you see it's processing the image. So a lot of people are creating their image right now. So I said it's going to take a little bit. Will notify me when the image is ready. So that is what it said, but don't worry, just wait for a while. Just wait. Let's count for 5 seconds. So let's go.
With tech, turning ideas into reality check. From spreadsheets to circuits, we do it all. In the digital world, we stand tall. Armstrong, we build dreams with tech, turning ideas into reality check. From spreadsheets to circuits, we do it all. In the digital world, we stand tall.
Boom, this is my design. Wow, save the dates, and it is nice and slow. So when I click on it here, check it out. So you can see, so this is it here. Okay, boom, that's finished designing. So when I click on it, you can see this is it here, save the dates. So when I click on, go ahead and click on, let's say download. and I've downloaded it, so we just double click on it here, and this is it here. So I'll right click on it, and let's open it and see how it looks. Wow, you can see that the image is sharp and everything is nice and slow. So that is how you can just use ChatGPT to create some couple of design and so on and so forth. Okay, I hope if indeed this video or this lesson is helpful and you've learned something, I'd like you to leave a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button, so anytime I come along with some nice videos like this, you can be notified.
Armstrong Computers, we're leading the way, bringing ICT to your doorstep every day. Where vision meets excellence, we stand strong, transforming students where they belong. In the halls of knowledge, we light the spark.